Hi friends, welcome to S&R McTech, our car. Me Sharath, Thrissur at Kerala. Hi guys, today we can study how to increase rear wheel height of Maruti 800. For this purpose, I using a jack on rear axle. And I up the vehicle and fixing two holes on this spot. Please watch this spot. Otherwise you can't do work easily. So we fixing our bush at this place. This is very small bush. Then for increasing height we will use big bush 1.5 inch thick on the top of this coil spring. Some people using very big oversized tires. That time the tire will touch us on the top of the body. That's why this height increasing work car. So we using that bush here. The place is here, and we need to put that two shock ups, and we need to change that shock up also. Otherwise, the vehicle will bounce on the back of the car on the driving time on the normal road. So for this purpose I want this like tool and hammer, 16 to 17 spanner, 17 mm box, T-rod, ratchet, like that items. I want to use this work, this type of tools. So I am going to do work. At first I am going to remove this lateral not lateral rod. I am going to remove this shock up downside bolt. So we need to change shock up also, because if we don't change shock up, the suspension height is increased but the shock up height not increased. That time the vehicle backside will makes dragging. So after removing that two shock up, I am going to remove this lateral rod and this end. Otherwise we can't remove this coil spring properly, not properly, easily. So at that purpose I am using 16 to 17 mm spanner for removing this, and I am going to remove this. So I am doing work alone, that's why I show after remove. So I removed already, and I am going to remove the lateral rod on this side. For removing, I want to only the push on our side. See, like this. So I remove this lateral rod. Then I am going to remove lateral rod bush. So this bush we need to change. This somebody not changed before. This is already wired. So this bush already wired before, so we need to change the bush. Otherwise the rear wheel alignment will wrong, and there is a chance to wear under the tire. So when you wax on the car, please check this bush, because only this bush. After removing the lateral, I am going to use a jack. Then if I go to lose my jack, after losing the rear axle will come down, and the see this way. I need to losing jack. At that time the tire under have a wood. That's why when I removing losing jack, that time see smoothly came the coil spring out. So the coil spring will came out. The next our procedure is we need to fix bush for increasing height. So I am going to remove the company bush for the help of a screwdriver. Before that I am going to check this coil spring. This two coil spring is almost equal height. Some vehicle have no equal. That time we need to change the coil spring. Otherwise the vehicle level will change. One side is big, one side is small, like that. This is our bush, and the downside is our this shock up. This shock up I using on the Maruti Sun vehicle, because Maruti 800 shock up is very when we were wearing this 1.5 inch bush, that time the shock up will never expand properly. So I am going to use Maruti Sun shock up because the shock up is bigger than Maruti 800 shock up. If not using this shock up, we are using that old shock up of Maruti 800. That time when we driving on the normal road without passengers, it will affect on the riding time on the back side. So always when the time of bush or height increasing time on the back side, we mostly need to change the shock up. Okay, so we need to remove this company bush like this. After removing the company bush, we just clean and fix this height increasing 1.5 inch thickness bush. See, if you use little bit grease, it will go easier. So the bush is fixed. Okay. After the fixation of bush, we are going to fix the coil spring. So coil spring will fix like this. See, the coil spring we fixed on the top and we fixed on the bottom. See, the coil spring have an edge on the bottom side. We need to fix that one also properly. So we fixed already both side shock up and bush. Sorry, coil spring and bush. After fixing that, I am fixing this shock up on the top. This is this new shock up is not Maruti 800 shock up. This is Sun shock up because we are increasing height of the vehicle. At that time we don't fix this height increase to shock up. It will affect our driving. So after fixing these two shock up, use new lateral rod bush and fix the lateral rod properly. See, like this. I using jack for this all purpose. Without all jack also we can fix. So just look, the height will increase already. See, this is another vehicle without bush. See the height 5.5 inch. This is one older vehicle using leaf spring type suspension. See the height 6.9 or 7, like this inch. The height will change 1.5 inch already. So we can easily change our car height on the back side like this. If your people like this video, please share your friends and colleagues. If you don't like, dislike, no problem. If you like, subscribe and do your car like this. Okay, see you.